Oh, hey.
Yeah, yeah,
Brewer
yeah,
Feed
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Hey.
Oh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. No, we don't need your accolades. Hopping over barricades. Bonus, we are not afraid. We know we gon' elevate. 2-3 with the fadeaway. Shot too witty when I spray. Daddy hear me when I pray. I know we gon' elevate. I know we gon' elevate. Brother gonna rise, no hesitation. Put it on my time, been hella patient. Spitting these rhymes in hella basements. Play major stages, still pay fun. Ain't made many wages, still I can't run. I'm a slave to the cadence, still ain't done. Everything to the patrons, till the day's won. Boy, I'm not finished, I know I got some critics. I know they're really cynics, my guy got no limits. I want a house in Venice, even if I don't get it. Then I pray these lyrics, elevate your spirit. And if I don't live it, after years and minutes of avoiding gimmicks, I'm pouring out my heart. That I know my rhythms didn't reach the millions, but I praise my Lord that I could be a part. I ain't did this for no trophies, I ain't did this for no list. I did it for the kid who's contemplating taking place to rest in. Man, I pray that you resist. Oh, you were made for more than this. You can make it through the storm, just turn to him and don't you quit. Boy, I'm all in. Check my wrist, you see the kid be saucing, no coughing. No, we don't die, we multiplying often. My God sends more of us, that power lasts like Austin, not lost in them accolades. My focus on